Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Dish Joy not working in 2026. So a Joy receiver depends on the main hopper system and network connection. So if that link breaks, the Joy stops working. So in order to fix it, instead of just restarting one device, you need to reboot both. So you need to first of all turn off your hopper DVR and Joy, then simply wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then you need to power them back on. This re-establishes the connection between them. If you are using a wired setup, inspect the coax cable connections. Make sure that they are tight and not damaged. For wireless Joy, ensure that it is connected to the same network as the hopper. Now, the weak signal can also cause freezing or no display. So you need to check the signal strength in the settings and make sure that there is no interference or loose wiring. Now, sometimes the issue is simple. So make sure that the TV is also set to connect to HDMI input where the Joy is connected. Now, even after doing all of these steps, nothing is working for you. You can just simply reset Joy receiver. For that, you just have to press and hold the power button on the Joy and simply wait for about 10 to 15 seconds to force a reset. This is going to clear the internal glitches as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.